Hey guys, how's it going? It's April the 15th, 2017 and welcome to the third round in building our interactive 1 GHz retro gaming PC. So far we've decided on the AMD Athlon 1 GHz, you can see the machine in the background, and yesterday we voted on the operating system. We're going with Windows Millennium Edition. Today we're making a very important choice, it's the graphics card. To cast your vote, at the top right hand side of the screen should be an information icon. Click on that and choose what card you want. Now, because YouTube can be a little bit funny with the notifications, do make sure that you subscribe to my channel and click on that notification bell icon. Let's briefly go over the three cards. The first choice is Nvidia's GeForce 2 GTS. This is the original GeForce 2 and it's got the second generation transformation and lighting engine and also features Nvidia's shading rasterizer. The second card you can choose is the ATI Radeon DDR. Later it got rebranded as the Radeon 7200. Featuring the ATI Charisma engine with transformation and lighting as well as hyperset technology. And the final card is a very interesting one. It's the Hercules 3D Prophet 4500 using a chip from PowerVR, the Kyro II. This card doesn't have a transformation and lighting engine, so a fast CPU is required, and I believe our Athlon 1 GHz is going to be a good match. Another unique thing of this card is it uses tiled based rendering, which is very interesting. So this is definitely the odd card out, but it's very unique and interesting, and if you want to see something different, then this card might be for you. And that's it for this video, guys. So you have to vote at the top right hand side of the screen. Click on the information button. You've got a choice between the GeForce 2 GTS, the very first Radeon DDR, and of course the PowerVR with the Kyro II chip. Thanks for watching, have a good discussion down below, and I'll see you tomorrow with the next round.